and welcome to Developer's Diary. Today we shall explore the app builder option in our Oracle Apex development series. So this is the app builder option when we log in into our workspace. In the app builder component, we have four options. The first one is to create Apex application. The second one is to import already created Apex application. You can import entire application, a page or component. You can import the plugin. You can import the REST source catalog, UI defaults, team development feedbacks. In the dashboard option, you can view the total application, pages, and activity graph related to your application exists in your workspace. Here you can see the activity graphs. In the workspace utilities, you can view the advanced option related to managing your workspace and external servers and services and themes. So let's create a sample application for your demo. You can see the multiple mechanism to create an application. Either you can create from app wizard using JSON XML files, using quick SQL with Fusion integration, browse from gallery like sample apps, or copy an existing app. Let's choose a create app through wizard. Here you can see multiple attributes of your application like icons. You can choose any one of your icon for your application and the color and save the icon. You can give the name of your application. Let's create an app for addition. Here you can see the appearance option where you can select the theme for your application. You have three options: white, white dark, or redwood light. You have navigation options here: side menu, top menu, and mega menu. So we choose default options. You can see the home page for your applications and multiple features like feedback page, about page, push notifications, configurations. Similarly, you can see your application setting like application ID, your schema, authentication, in language. In the advanced option, you have multiple interface attributes for your table. You can give prefix here. You can enter the description for your application. You can add footers, give globalized setting for your date formats, save that change, and click create application. So your application has been created. Here you have multiple options related to your application. Run app, supporting objects, shared component, utilities, and export and import. If you want to export your application, you can use this option. In the shared component, you can create LOVs which are related to each component, application setting, and here you can run the application. Let's click the run application. Give your username and password. So this is your first application with home page. So let's add some fields and buttons for your first demo app. Click the home page. Here you can see the multiple option for page editor. You have rendering option where you can see the page components, dynamic action, processing, and page share components like list of values, built-in options, email template that we have already discussed. In the middle of in the middle of the page editor, you can see the page layout and the gallery. You can see the region, items, buttons that you can use in your rendering portion. And here is the attributes related to your, you can say you can say that these are the property palettes. Here are the attributes and region properties. These are related to your edition, static content type. You can navigate from one page to another using this navigator. You can create page, copy page, regions, share component, page group. Similarly, you can delete page, history, and export. You will have a run button to run the page. So let's add some component here. Create a page item, give it a name, num1, it's a number field, create another page item, it's num2, it's also a number field. Then create a button for addition, and then a page item, number field, to show the total of these two fields, two numbers. These are non-database items. Let's save and run your page. You can see num1, num2, addition, and total. So how we can add these two numbers? On a button click, we want to add these two numbers. So we have the option to create a dynamic action on a button. You can give any name to it. This is the dynamic action. Then you have multiple options or actions you want to perform when this button clicks. So let's create a JavaScript code because these are known database items only rendered on the page. So we want to get these value from JavaScript and add them and show on the page. So how we can get the values? So let's write in. We want to sum these values. How we can get the value? By using dollar sign v and give the name of the field. We have two fields num1 and num2, so we are giving the name. Now we want to set the value in our total field. Here is one thing I want to explain. When we use the JavaScript v function, it treats the value as a string. So we have to convert it into a number or parse it into a float number. So let's create or convert into number. Here we are getting values, converting into number and adding them and then assigning the value to the total field. Click save on the button and then add. Hooray! You can see the total in the total pan or field like that. So this is the first app without any database. You can create your own application like this. So see you in next tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed it. See you in the next tutorial.